Why hire me? Experience. Any attorney can get on their website and say, I'm a fighter. I'll fight for you. Well, under our canon of ethics that we have to follow, you're required to fight for your client. You're required to zealously advocate for your client. But what experience brings is the know-how of when to fight for your client, how to fight for your client, where to fight for your client, and who to fight with. If you don't know those things going into a case, then you're really handicapped. I mean, I've been doing this more than a dozen years. I understand what the judges are looking for when you present an argument to them. I understand what prosecutors are looking for when you ask them to dismiss a case. That's important. I've been doing this a long time, and experience matters. And one of the things that experience does is it brings respect. When you walk into a courtroom, prosecutors listen to you more carefully. Judges listen to your arguments more carefully. And with that, you can get better results for your client. Some of my best work happens not when you're in trial, but when you're negotiating to get a case dismissed. You do not want to go through an agony of a trial. I've won a lot of trials. Nobody likes to be cross-examined. Nobody likes to see their life put into a jury's hands. I'm a member of the National College of DWI Defense. I'm a certified expert in the administration of field sobriety test. I've published a manual on search and seizure, and I'm the only attorney to get a not guilty verdict using the post-traumatic stress defense. I've been doing this a long time. I put a lot of effort into it because you represent people, and people's lives are in your hands. And when you represent a defendant, you don't just represent him, you represent the people who depend on him. And that's what a good attorney has to keep in mind.